Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to add sub-bullet points in PowerPoint presentation. So as you can see, I have a PowerPoint presentation here. I have an invited guest list and I want to make them bullet point and sub-bullet point as needed. So I have selected the guest names and now I'm going to click on bulleted library. So let's add another guest name right over here. But as you can see, I'm only able to add bullet points from these options. And if I go to bullet library, I only have the option to change the bullet points from here. But there is no option to make them a sub bullet point. So in order to do a sub bullet point, you just have to go to a beginning of the bullet point and then press on tab. So after I press tab, Adam is now sub bullet to Don. And if you go to the last name, which is actually not our name, if I press tab twice, it will be sub bullets sub bullet point. So that's how you can create sub bullet point in PowerPoint presentation. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.